that it has got adapted to the nature of the environment in the rangelands. The rangelands is very much known for fires. There's frequent fires throughout the year. This may be twice or once during the dry season when it sets. So when the fires come, you find this tree could easily have got burnt or get destroyed. But by God's design, it had a very thick bark. It has a very thick bark that cushions it from the fire. So however much you see fire in the landscape or in the regional ecosystem in this part of Uganda, still you will see the shea tree surviving. So the protection is on that, the bark. So it stays for 300, 400 years. But the benefit of this tree is why today we are talking about protecting it, is that traditionally it has been used for a number of purposes. One, the shea oil, locally processed from this, has been used by communities in this landscape for years. You can use it for cooking, you can use it for skin care. And by the way, the people who use shea butter tree have got very nice skin. I might be one of them. If you admire my skin, that is the shea butter which got embedded in me many years ago when I was still young. And the other thing, they also say that people who use shea butter age very slowly. So if the women out there want to know how you can age very slowly, the beauty is in northern Uganda here, the use of the shea. But aside from that, also it has the other beneficial impact of people use it for medicinal purposes. You know, the bark itself, if you have like diarrhea, still you can use it, and there you get healed. But also looking further, the honey in this landscape, from the nectar that comes from the shea, you can't compare it anywhere else. You taste the honey from this place, where the shea butter tree is, you will always keep coming back. So there are other beneficial, wider beneficial things that come with the shea butter, but also the climate aspect now, because that forms a cushion again for communities against the impact of climate change, the rainfall patterns. So as people are cutting this tree, they are foregoing that benefit. It also has vitamin A, it has vitamin E, all sorts of vitamins that you get when you eat the pulp. You know, the shea, before you process it from the nut, you first start by eating the pulp. If I may demonstrate here, I can see it has got, when it has, after it has, of course, the fruiting is complete, you get the fruit from the shea,